Hi, my name is Dominic and I work for Nelson Hall. I'm delighted to say that we've completed a new report on Salesforce Services today. And in this report, we're assessing the Salesforce offerings from the major IT service vendors globally. I'd like today to talk about TCS really and what they've done in the past 2 years in terms of their Salesforce offering at the high level. So a few points really I'd like to mention. First of all, moving on into consulting and advisory services, big thing not only to be involved earlier in life cycle, but also be involved into more digital and more strategic decision like product roadmap, decision, new business models, revenues, and so forth, new operating model. You have to say that TCS at the Salesforce level has been on a high growth. So a big element of what they do is really focusing on automation and standardization. So standardization of processes at the sales and marketing level, but also at the delivery side of things, at the recruitment level. So it makes sense to automate and standardize when you're actually growing very fast. And really this standardization and automation brings another level of topic, which is investment into accelerators and IPs. And TCS as a whole is very strong at developing technology accelerators. And the Salesforce practice of TCS has done the same and sort of provided IP for a number of offerings. So let me name a few of those offerings. Health checks, typically for post-implementation projects when you need to assess and look at what the configuration and footprint of the Salesforce clouds that were implemented. Another example would be estimating the cost and time and effort of a migration from Classic to Lightning. There are quite a number of those, so also predefined user stories from an agile perspective and libraries of Lightning components, so quite a number of those. And the last point I wanted to mention is really the 4 industry solutions that TCS has developed. So let me mention a few. Warranty management for the manufacturing sector, or for example, introducing AI for the service desk. So all that makes sense. And I probably want to take as a last one an example of the work that TCS has done in the past few years, and that was for a provider of information. And the challenge was for the clients that were trying to renew their subscriptions was some of the work was automated. It could be done on the portal, and some of the process had to be done through calling call center. So TCS helped implementing a service cloud, marketing cloud, and really help automating the process through configuration of the product that they wanted to repurchase and subscribe to, online automated quote, digital signature to complete the process. So from a customer perspective, this is about having a full online experience and not having to call as well the contact center. This is really what I wanted to share about TCS. You will find a lot more details in our TCS profile. Also, feel free to subscribe to our newsletter and also to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day then.